What are some early symptoms of autism?
So I'll go back to the three core areas that are affected in autism. We spoke about communication, social interaction skills, and limited play skills. So when we are talking about children with autism, some of these signs may appear very, very early. So even at the age of 2 to 3 months, you see babies cooing back and forth. You see babies smiling at another adult or another child. So this kind of reciprocal interaction starts as early as that. And a little later on, children start acquiring their first words close to the age of a year. They can say mama, baba, tata, to people who are in the house to address them. So you'll find that many children with autism do not learn how to address familiar people, their own parents within the house. So you're already seeing early signs of language delays over there. And in addition to that, or the playful interaction that an adult has with a child. You tickle a baby, the baby looks at you, wants you to do more of that. You play peekaboo, they start the game of peekaboo and you respond to it, and there is a back and forth going on over there. Children with autism may find all of these things difficult, or their responses to such interactions might be inconsistent. A little later, by around 14-15 months of age, you'll find that children will show you things that really interest them. So they may look at a moon, get very excited, show you the moon and look back at you as if to say, did you see that? And you would often not find children with autism initiate such interactions, which is purely for the pleasure of it. It's not that they want the moon, they just want you to look at it and admire it just the way that they are, right? So you may not find children initiating such interactions or responding to your attempts to do that. So you may want to show them an aeroplane in the sky and say, hey, look, and they may not necessarily follow where you're pointing and look at that and look back at you. So as early as 3 to 6 months, you'll see that the reciprocity is not there. You may start seeing that their language is a little bit delayed, even a little after the age of a year. And very, very importantly, this kind of social interaction where they are just trying to share the pleasure of showing you something, the joy of showing you something, those kinds of interactions may be either missing or inconsistent.
Stay tuned for new parenting tips every Monday. Subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips. Like this video and share it with your parent squad. Comment below topics you would love to see on the Mom and Pop Show.